Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today I'm going to be taking you through YouTube channel banner and what YouTube channel banner is all about. It as you can see, my channel banner is unique coach Joseph, dominating the world of tech and money making. It tells me more about what a channel or my YouTube channel is all about. So as you can see here, unique coach Joseph, dominating the world of tech. It tells me more about what a YouTube channel is all about. And it is very important. You must not leave it blank on your channel. You must put something there so that people can see it. So I'm going to be showing you what you can put there, how you can design this, and it's going to look fantastic like this. It's going to be just 3 lines. As you can see, unique code Joseph, dominating the world of tech and money making. Subscribe for my YouTube channel weekly videos. As you can see, subscribe for weekly videos. This is just going to be 3 lines of sentences that you are going to design on your channel. So without wasting much of time, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification icon so when I release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So guys, I'm going to be introducing an application to you and which we call Canva. Canva is where you are going to be getting your colors that you're going to be using for your YouTube channel, and you'll be using Canva to design your YouTube channel banner as well. So without wasting much of time, let's get right into today's video. So you just go to your browser and you search for color palette generator. So you click on search. So it's going to Canva is going to bring some options for you, and that is where you are going to choose your YouTube channel colors. As you can see here is hot pink, FFAEBC. This is what we are talking about when we talk about channel brand channel colors. So you can choose from any of these that you want. So all you just want to do is just to click on any of it that you want. And if you haven't seen anyone that you want from here, you can go ahead and click on explore color combination. So as you can see from here, you just go ahead and you choose the color that you want. Let's say if you're going with this, you just click on it. And all you just want to do is just to copy the unique link. As you can see, cream, peach, this desert sun, and coral. You just want to copy all of this and you want to paste it somewhere so you don't forget. So I go ahead and I paste this in my notepad. So once you have successfully pasted it somewhere, you make sure you keep it so when everything that you're going to be doing, you're going to be using these codes. If you want to design your banner, you click on these codes and you are going to use this code to generate any colors for your YouTube channel. Your banner channel colors is going to be the same colors that you are going to be using for your channel thumbnails. So it's very important to keep these color combinations codes that you just gotten. So guys, once you have simply get the code, all you just want to do is just to come to canva.com and you search for what we call YouTube channel art. So you search for YouTube channel art. So it's going to show you some templates that you're going to use to design your YouTube banners. You can go ahead and choose any one. So you go ahead and choose any. So all you just want to do is just to edit just little. As you can see, the template is beautifully done. All you just want to do is just to change the text and you change some few things, but you are not going to be needing all of this, so you just go ahead and you delete it. So we just want just little, just 3 lines of words in our channel. So you go ahead and you delete all of this. So once you successfully deleted everything, we now write just three colors: unique Coach Joseph, dominating the world of tech, and subscribe for my weekly videos. So guys, once you successfully done that, you just come to test. You click on test, you click on the bigger one, you click on the following the middle one, and you click on the last. So this is the way your channel is going to look. The first one, which is the header, the biggest one, then the other one, then this is the way your channel is going to be. So what you just want to do is just to convert the to channel name. So I just go ahead and click on unique. I write out my channel, say unique, unique. Just I go ahead and click on the other one, dominating the world of tech, world of tech and money making. I go ahead and I reduce the size of this. It's just a line that we want to use it for, just a line. So I go ahead and I change it as well. Subscribe for weekly videos. So I just go ahead and I reduce it. I'll go ahead and I reduce everything, then I move it, I move everything up. If you are using a laptop, you will make sure that it's in the middle. All are in the middle. Make sure they are all at the middle. Once you see this cross line, you see that they already are at the middle. So I'll go ahead and I'll reduce this as well. I'll reduce this as well. So I'll make sure that they are all at the middle. So as you can see, they are all at the middle. I can still reduce this. I can still reduce this as well. This this is still larger, so I'll go ahead and I'll still reduce the text. So you can reduce it to the barest minimum. So I'll go ahead and I'll rearrange it again. Make sure that they are all at the center. So guys, this is where your channel banner color palette code comes in. So you can, as you can see, this is choking, and just go ahead and rearrange it. Subscribe for this. Let me move this up a little. So guys, once you've done that, you just go ahead and you click on this, then you click on the channel. So you go ahead and you click on this plus to add a new color. To add a new color, then you go ahead and click it. Then the code, the unique code, then you go ahead and copy it and paste it right here. So you go back to your notepad and you click on it. You click on the code that you want to use. You go ahead and you click on it. I just go ahead and I click on unique codes. So guys, to add the palette colors, you just go ahead and click on the on the text. You go there and you click on here, right here. As you can see, the codes are already there. I just go ahead and I copy this code there. As you can see, this subscribe button, you can make sure that it has a touch of red. You know, YouTube is red, and it kind of makes it look very nice. And you can go ahead and click on this red. As you can see, I go ahead and I paste it. See, as you can see, this is red right here. So what you just want to do is the background that you want to use. You can go ahead and you choose two photos, or you just go ahead and you just choose a solid text. I can go ahead and choose a solid text. I can go ahead and choose a solid text. Let me delete this. So I can go ahead and I delete a solid. I can choose a solid text and I can decide to use images. So just go to photos. I want to use some photos to design this. So I just go ahead and let me just see all. So I just pick some nice ones that I can use. I can go ahead and choose this. Let me just quickly correct this. Not deleted all of this. So I'll go ahead and delete all this. Okay, let me return it back. So guys, let's just do this right here now. So just go ahead and you make this a background, or you just click on set as image background. So I can just go ahead and I choose another one. I can just go ahead and choose this as well. I can go ahead and choose this as well, and just I can make that bigger as well, just to make your YouTube channel look nice. You can use a solid image, you can use anything that you want to use. So just go ahead and you click on this. So once you have done this, all you want to do is just to reduce the transparency. So just this is what you want to do, just reduce the transparency of this, and you go ahead and reduce the background transparency to the barest minimum. So you just can just do this. You can just do this. I want to increase this transparency. These images are too sharp, so I just go ahead and look for another image. I can go with this. So I just reduced the transparency, or rather we can just use a solid text, you know. Just look for another image to use. Okay, this is nice. So guys, I just go ahead and I choose one other nice image. I'm going to show you how you can use a solid background as well. So let's just choose one nice black background. I can set this as a background image. So I go ahead and I reduce the transparency. So I go ahead and reduce this transparency as well. I can go ahead and increase the font of the image. I increase the image. and I just go ahead and reduce the transparency as well. So as you can see, this is nice. I'm just recording the video. If I'm doing it on my own, I'm gonna calm down and do this. So I just go ahead and let me just design one nice and lovely one, and I'll make it see it. So guys, all you want to do is just choose two colors. You can go ahead and choose two photos like this, or you can just go ahead and choose just one. You must make sure that this unique coach is showing and everything. You can still go ahead and reduce the transparency to make sure that these things are showing very well. So you should go ahead. And another one that I want to show you is if you want to work with a solid color. So that one is pretty easy. It doesn't require you much. You just go ahead and choose from your brand color. You go ahead and choose from good brand colors. You can go ahead with black. And you just go ahead and you click on. I mostly agree to you use this one because of the technicalities behind creating a photo one. So you go ahead and you just reduce. You can leave it blank like this, and you just go ahead and download it. So this is the way you are going to upload it into your YouTube channel banner. So let's just upload it into our YouTube channel banner. So I just go back to my channel create creator studio. So I just go ahead and I am in my studio now. I just go ahead to customization. So I just go ahead and customize this so you can have my banner up and running. So guys, I'm using this account to set this up to show you how it is done. So you just go ahead to this branding and you come ahead and you click on change, or you go ahead or you remove it or you change it. So you go ahead and click on change. So you upload what you created there, and this is the way it's going to look. I've created a video that I explained extensively on it. The link should be somewhere around this video. You can go ahead and check this out so to know how you can do that very well. So I just go ahead and choose that, and as you can see, unique code Joseph dominating the world of tech. Subscribe for my weekly video. This is where it's going to appear for mobile devices. This is where it's going to appear for desktop, and this is the way it's going to appear for television. So I just go ahead and click on done. Then you are successfully created, or you are successfully saved your channel banner.